Hello, in today's video I'll explain the full maintenance schedule for every part of your robot on MOVA Z60 Ultra. I will explain all the things, but I won't be showing how to do all of it. There are videos on the channel on how to do something. In this video, I'm just going to explain the frequency of maintenance and the replacement period. So for the used water tank, you should remove the water out of it after each use and rinse it with clean water. Clean water tank should be cleaned once every 2 weeks and filled whenever needed. Main brushes should also be cleaned once every 2 weeks and replaced every 6 to 12 months. Dust box filter should be cleaned every 2 weeks and replaced 3 to 6 months, as well as the side brush and dirt funnel barrier. They both should be cleaned every 2 weeks and replaced every 3 to 6 months. Now let's go to the washboard. The washboard should be cleaned every 1 to 2 months. Now, base station signaling area, which is this black reflective part inside of the station, it should be cleaned every month. Base station's charging contacts, also every month. Base station's auto empty vent, also every month. Omnidirectional wheel on the robot should be cleaned once every month. Now I'll just list the other things that should be cleaned once every month, because there's quite a lot of things, so you may need to just schedule like a cleaning every month, like a deep cleaning of your robot. So there's the caster wheel, which is on the back of the robot, edge sensors, or so-called cliff sensors, VersaLift sensor, which is the one that lifts up as the robot starts moving around, 3D dual line laser sensors, which are on the front, the ones at an angle, the carpet sensor as well, cliff sensors, LED auxiliary light, bumper window, bumper, robot's automatic water refilling inlet, which is on the back of the robot, robot's charging contacts, robot's auto empty vent, and the bottom of the robot. All of these should be cleaned once every month, and since they are irreplaceable, they don't need to be replaced. Now the dust box, the robot's used water box, fluffing roller, the mop cover, the main wheels, clearance legs, and cleaning solution refilling port should be cleaned as needed. It is not specified by the manufacturer how often should they be cleaned, so these ones should be cleaned as needed and they don't need to be replaced. Now the dust bag, the mop pad, and scale inhibitor aren't cleaned, they only are replaced. The dust bag should be replaced every 2 to 4 months, depending on how quickly it gets full. The mop pad should be replaced every 1 to 3 months, and the scale inhibitor every 18 to 36 months. And remember that the frequency of maintenance and replacement depends on actual usage. If an exemption occurs due to special circumstances, prompt maintenance or replacement is recommended. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.